So, welcome guys, here we are. This is our very first Blender 3D tutorial. Today we will learn the basic things. So this is our view, but before beginning we have to do some changes. So go to File, User, Preferences. I want you to check Zoom to Mouse Selection, Rotate around selection. Okay, save as default. Now I want to tell you not save user settings, but if I press load factory settings it gets me here, and the worst thing is that my settings are gone. So save past default, save user settings. Okay, so now here we are. With your middle mouse button you can rotate as you want. You just press it down and you do everything you want, but before doing anything we have to select an object. So before selecting an object, I want to tell you that you see my mouse up there. Get your middle mouse, scroll up, and you will be zoomed there. If I want to zoom outside, I would zoom there, and if I want, I have to zoom and go here, go with this. Okay, you will get used to it after some time passes. For some reason my computer turned to Windows Basic, but okay. So let's continue. A way to select something is to right click on it. So right click, yeah, that's it. I selected the camera, basically the light. This is the camera, this is it. To delete something, press the X key on your keyboard. X delete. Right click on the camera, X delete. Okay, that was very easy. So select your cube. Now we will learn how to deselect something. Just press A. Very easy, huh? Okay. Select again the cube and press R. Now you can rotate your thing on some axis. If you don't want to confirm this, press right click. If you want to confirm it, press left click, but I don't want, so I press right click. Goes on the before action. If you press Ctrl Z, you will get back to the actions you have done. I think that until some of them you can go back, not all. So now we have this. Okay, if we press S, we can size up, size down, size up. Okay, let's get our cube up there. Okay, it's big. Now here down you can select this to move on the Z axis, on the Y axis, and on the X axis. Okay, now if we press here we can rotate our thing. A, Ctrl Z to restore back to the actions we have done. Now if we press this, go to scaling mode. Okay, and again A. Okay, so that are some very basic things you can learn, and I want you to introduce you to something that you aren't very used to it, but I like it very much. Go to here and select flat, nothing changes. Go and click smooth. You can see that everything has changed. Yeah, go back to your selection mode, and now go again to flat. I would like now to introduce you to another thing, the, as I call it, view. Go press view and left, view front, view bottom, view right, view camera view, and view top. So let's try out something else. Get your camera a little back. Okay, now select camera, and you see that our view has changed. Or we can just take this, go to top, get the camera, so now press again the camera, and you are viewing using your camera or the cube. You can get this, and yes, now you're outside your camera by pressing your middle mouse button. And now those are some basic things you can learn. I'm gonna introduce you to materials also if you like. I'm gonna get the diffuse and change the color of our cube. It's very realistic, spectacular, nothing changes. Okay, some things to pass your time. Wow. Textures, you can add textures, but not today. You have a lot of things to learn, and that will be when the time passes. So get again to your render view and press render image. You had your render image. So here is some bars, the timeline, and other things. Now go graph editor. We will learn them step by step. Now go to 3D object. Okay. Alright. Go to save to new. So here we can save as your thing where you want it, desktop and other things. I'm gonna go back. Oops, okay. Oh, we lost everything. So now let's press T and here we are on our 3D. Go Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And now we did a lot of things today, so let's get our files back to new, reload startup file, and we're back here. We didn't lost anything, as I told you. And if you go here and go user preferences, everything is like you want it. So that was for today. Stay tuned, there will be updates weekly. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.